Hello everyone, in this lecture we will discuss about list. So let's first understand ordered list. I'll create here heading 1 ordered list. Now to create ordered list we use OL tag, OL, so start and close. Inside we write list item. Okay, so order list, start and close, list item. Let's create some courses here. Web designing, WordPress, Angular, and so on. So this is order list. It will be in a particular order. Let's check in a browser. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 in a particular order. Now here I'll create one more list, unordered list. So to separate this I can use one tag here, HR. HR means horizontal row. So I'll show you, this is just a row. It will create a new line. At the same time it will see that line here. Okay, so just a row. Now I'll use heading unordered list. Okay, to create unordered list we can use UL. UL means unordered list. Start and close. Remember, if you don't close it, you can see here in red color something is wrong here, right? So let me close it. Okay, so here list item. Let's say I'll give some random values or some items. Anything here, table, laptop, mobile. Now these things will not be in a particular order. So see here, car table, and see this symbol. This is a disk. So order list and unordered list. Now long back we used to specify here only. See here, type. So circle, save it, and see here circle. Okay, nowadays we don't specify, we use CSS. I'm just showing that how it used to work. So type, and then you can choose that. Let's say I don't want 1, 2, 3, I want ABC. See, ABC. Or you have different option. So these things we can do with the help of CSS. In CSS we don't have ordered and unordered list. For CSS it's just a list. And you can change the list style. So later we'll see these things. Now here one more concept is there. The list can be inside another list. So let's first understand why this is a simple example. Let's understand where you can use these lists. Then I'll come to list inside another list. The first use of the list is in navigation bar, this menu bar you can see here on this website. See these about us, services, blog, contact. Now how we can see this is a list? So it's very easy here. We can inspect the element. So what you can do, let's say here right click and then inspect it. Click on inspect, and this tab will open here, and see here this is list item LI. So UL, unordered list, LI, you can see here all these lists. So here, from here you can figure out which HTML tag it is. So you can see here list inside another list. So right click again, inspect it, and see here it is inside a list item. So in this website you can see, so these are lists, right? Just to confirm, you can again select it, right click and click here, inspect, and here you can see list. So these are 3 lists. When you hover here on the left side, you can see it will highlight. See here, this one, this one. So this is the easiest way to figure out which element. Suppose this one. Now I'll open it and see here you can select this text. So we have a different use of list. Now let's understand list inside another list in this website. So I'll show you. This is a one list, and then under services this is a nested list, another list here. So how to create this kind of thing? So go to here. So let's suppose here under web designing I want to add some list, let's say subtopics. So how to do that? Here you don't have to start after this. Remember, here it's very important to understand, when you list start and close, inside only you have to go, press enter. Here only you have to write the code. So okay, so it is a sub part. Okay, you can see it's a part of this web designing, so it's under this. Here I'll create another list, let's say unordered list, start and close. Then I'll create list item, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so on. And then this has to be closed, list item. Okay, now let's check in a browser and see under web designing HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is known as nested list, a list inside another list. Maybe you want more things under HTML, so again go here, and here you can write some code, order list or unorder, anything here. Now one here important point to understand, if you close this here only, right, now it is not a nested list. So how it will be in a browser? Let's first save it, and you can see here. From here it is difficult to understand, but here when you apply the CSS rules or JavaScript, then it will be very different. Then it can create a problem, because here list item, for this unordered list, it starts and closes here, and the first one is a list item, then another is unordered list, right? So don't close here, so it should be at the end, everything should be inside this.